Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your League of Legends account password. So go ahead and make your way to the website, leagueoflegends.com. I'll have the link below just in case that didn't come out clearly. Once you make it to the web page, in the upper right hand corner, you want to click on sign in. I'm already signed in, as you can see. It's gonna take you to through a two-part authentication process. First being password, and then some passcode that you'll receive via your email. So make sure you have access to that email. I'm not going to show it just for the purpose of time. But anyway, once you get yourself logged in and it looks like my homepage, click on the drop down menu in the upper right hand corner, make your way to settings, and then it's going to take you to the account management page. You can either scroll down or on the left hand side click on Riot account sign in. Go ahead and do so. It's going to show your username kind of blocked out, and then it's going to prompt you to enter your current password. So whatever that is, enter it. And then you want to enter your new password. Just make sure it meets the criteria below. Oops. Once you're confident about your new password, all you have to do is click on Save Changes, and you'll see like a blue or turquoise color appear where the Save Changes box is, along with a check mark that indicates that your password has been successfully updated. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.